AI never takes a break, and this week has been absolutely wild. Okay, so after a long wait, Midjourney has released their new AI video generator model, Midjourney V1, for all users to try. There's a new AI that's fantastic at restoring blurry text and images. This new AI can generate videos featuring multiple people talking in the same video, just like VEO3. This new 3D model generator, which is currently at the top of the list. This new AI is simply too good at editing any video. So, you take the first picture of the video, change something on it, and then the AI can make a whole video with that change, but the rest stays original. We now have a genuine AI song generation open source model that can give tough competition to Suno AI or Mureka. This AI can generate highly detailed and realistic 3D virtual reality environments and much more. So, let's dive right in. First up, Bytedance came out with something this week that's kinda like VEO3, but it gives you way more control. It's called Interact Human, and it requires 3 main inputs: reference images of a person or object, audio clips for their speech, and a text prompt to set up the scene. It can generate a video of these reference characters speaking the audio. Take a look at a few of these examples.
The microfilm is in your ticket.
They're watching the north exit. Use the service tunnel.
Essentially, you can provide it with 2 character images and 2 audio clips, and it will generate the characters speaking the audio, as demonstrated here. Or, check out this example with 3 people.
So, what are we going to talk about now? What are we going to talk about now that we can talk?
I have no idea. What do you want to talk about?
Notice the audio clip can have dialogue from multiple people. This AI lets you control which character speaks at each part of the dialogue. You can distinctly control who says what in the scene. This doesn't just work with realistic scenes. Here's an example with cartoon.
看来我不应该来。现在才知道太晚了。留下点回忆行不行？我不要回忆。
Besides reference characters, you can also input reference objects and have a person interact with them. Here are some examples.
Soft bristle blue toothbrush. Gently cleans for fresh breath. Comfortable grip. Upgrade your oral care.
Juicy peach fruit can, ready-to-eat snack or dessert helper. Fresh taste, easy to store. Try it now.
Instead of just realistic videos, this can also handle different artistic styles. Here's a 3D animation example, or another artistic style. At present, as you'll see if you scroll to the top of the page, their only release is a technical paper. Unfortunately, no indication has been given regarding the potential open sourcing of this project. If you're interested in reading more or seeing more examples, I'll link to the main page in the description below. Next up, we have Magic Try-On, an open-source virtual try-on video generator model introduced by Vivo. It allows you to add clothing to people in any video. It maintains continuous, realistic, and clear clothing details. Users simply upload a video of a person and a single reference image, and they can generate a dynamic virtual try-on video. It ensures the authenticity of clothing details and movements, even in reference videos with complex actions like dancing and turning, while maintaining the stability of clothing and movements. Additionally, this tool also supports image virtual try-on, and the nice thing is the code is already released. Just click on the GitHub repo, and you will find all the information to run this locally. Next up, this AI is incredibly useful. It's named Text-Aware Image Restoration. Plus, this fixes up blurry or messed up pictures, especially if there's text in them. It sharpens the text, making it more readable. The left column shows the original low-quality, blurry image. The rightmost column displays the ground truth. The second column you see here is another option called div-bir. The third column features this new method. Notice how quickly it cleans up the image, and the text just looks way clearer than what the competitor does. Check out some more examples here. On the left is the original low-quality image. The final cell here shows that is ground truth. This is how it should look. Upon comparing this latest method with the other existing alternatives, you'll observe that this new approach is unequivocally the most effective at correcting and sharpening images, particularly the textual elements within them. It's quite close to the ground truth. This example is particularly impressive. Just look at the original low-quality image. It's really hard to tell that this is supposed to be movie star. With this font, it's amazing that the AI transformed it so well. So, this new AI, it uses a combination of two big techniques working hand in hand, a diffusion transformer and a text recognition thing that just picks out and understands the text in the image. It uses that information along with the diffusion model to essentially bring the image back to life. Up at the top of the page, you won't find the model weights yet, but they've put out the datasets and the pipeline, and you can grab them from Hugging Face or Google Drive. Next up, we have Minimax Video Agent. This week, Minimax launched the beta version of Video Agent, which is a fully automated video generation tool. Users only need to provide their creative ideas, and the intelligent agent will complete the video creation. Video Agent's technical roadmap is divided into 3 stages, currently supporting only template-driven video generation. In the latter half of the year, Minimax Video Agent will gradually introduce semi-automated custom videos and fully automated video generation features, truly realizing the vision from creativity to video. Visit the Hailua website and select the Agent tab in the video generation mode. You can choose a video template from the list to start creating based on your needs. Alright, next up, Tencent just dropped Hunyuan 3D 2.1. It's seriously one of the best 3D model makers you can get your hands on right now. I featured Hunyuan 3D 2.0 a few weeks back, but this new 2.1 version is even better. And the coolest part? It's totally free and open source. So this thing just takes a picture of anything, an object or a person, and boom, it magically makes a 3-dimensional model out of it. It's not limited to just generating the shape of the model, it can also produce the texture, which includes the albedo, essentially the color, as well as its metallic properties and roughness. And get this, they've put out a free Hugging Face space where you can try it right now on the web. Here are some benchmark scores assessing 3D asset quality, and as you can see, Hunyuan 3D 2.1. This one's better than the other big 3D model generators out there, like Tripo, Trellis, and Direct3 DS2. You know, the ones I've talked about on my channel. They've already released all the models for download from Hugging Face, so you can run them locally as much as you want. Here, you'll find all the instructions on how to install and run everything. Next up, Midjourney made headlines this week with the release of its initial AI video model known as Midjourney V1. You can access it via their online platform. Unfortunately, access is limited to paid subscribers as there's no free trial. You'd need to pay at least $8 per month to try the model. You'll still run out of credits fast if you're generating videos even with that plan. Here are some of its demos available. Since it's only image to video for now, your first step is to upload an image to use as the starting point. Alternatively, you can use Midjourney to generate an image first as the start frame. Note that there's no text to video option. You can't simply type a prompt to describe the video. Each video is 5 seconds long at 480p resolution, which is quite low quality. To be frank, Midjourney's current ability to only generate videos at 480p resolution is quite restrictive. Midjourney does have a unique aesthetic vibe, as seen in these video generations. If this aesthetic appeals to you, then Midjourney V1 could be a good choice. It makes pretty coherent videos and can do a lot of art styles, but all in all, it's not blowing anyone away. Frankly, if this had been released a year ago, I'd be quite impressed. However, considering the rapid emergence of numerous state-of-the-art video generators in just the past few weeks, Midjourney's new video model no longer stands out as among the absolute best.